Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we would learn how can we create a scatter chart with a straight line and with marks. To create it, just select the data and after that, click on Insert. And here in this charts group, you have scatter chart and bubble chart. Just select this one, scatter chart with straight lines and marks. After selecting guys, as you can see on your screen, it will be displayed guys. And from here you can select its size or you can select and move. Also you can select it and here this two tab will be created, design and format. The things you want to change in the chart style, then you can select the chart style or the chart color here or the layout or the elements. Elements means the axis. These are the axis. You want to change, hide it, or you can show it. Similarly, you want to add the axis title, then you can add it. Then you can add or remove the chart title or the data labels from here. And if you want to show the error, then you can show the grid lines and the legends and trend lines. Okay. Similarly, in format, you can edit the text written on this chart, entire chart, through this word art or the effect. Similarly, you can fill any color if you want, outline and any color that you want to fill. So here as you can see, in October, November, December, the total and average, these all are shown in different colors. And here is the data. Same data is represented here with the names by month and the dots and the straight line from here. Okay, so this shows how the sales goes up and the down. And if you want to change its column to row position or row to column position, then select it and then go to design, and here you can switch it from row to column or column to row. Like here now, the salesman who's done the sale, their record is showing how's the sale they did and how's the total and the average. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.